Great corner lot home in the Courtyards, well cared for and move-in ready. Open floor plan concept in the main living area, great for entertaining and easy for guests to enjoy themselves when you have those special occasions. Deck off kitchen area and backyard to enjoy the days in the sunshine. You also have a concrete patio to take advantage of, maybe put the barbecue grill and patio furniture. Basement is really spectacular, has an open area for the man cave, playroom, or den, the choice is yours. There is a wet bar in the basement for all your get-togethers. The family room is open and bright and boasts a beautiful gas fireplace. You are right by the Falcon Shopping Center, Safeway and Walmart are both walking distance. The Woodman Hills Club is minutes away, Schriever AFB is about a 20-minute drive, Powers Boulevard is 10 to 12 minutes away, I-25 is 15 to 20 minutes away, Peterson AFB, from Mark Scuffle Boulevard, is 20